Yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Skyroot's Infinity Campus in Hyderabad, Telangana via video conferencing. Addressing the gathering on the occasion, the Prime Minister remarked that today the nation is witnessing an unprecedented opportunity in the space sector. He highlighted that India's space ecosystem is experiencing a major leap with the private sector taking flight. He emphasized that Skyroot's Infinity Campus reflects India's new thinking, innovation and youth power. He also underlined that the innovation, risk-taking ability and entrepreneurship of the country's youth are reaching new heights. PM Modi stated that this program is a reflection of how India will emerge as a leader in the global satellite launch ecosystem in the coming years. He extended his best wishes to Sri Pravan Kumar Chandna and Sri Naga Bharat Dhaka, noting that these two young entrepreneurs are an inspiration for the countless young space entrepreneurs across the country. He stressed that both of them trusted themselves, did not shy away from taking risks, and as a result, the entire nation is witnessing their success today, with the country feeling proud of them. The Prime Minister also assured every young person, every startup, scientist, engineer, and entrepreneur that the government stands firmly with them at every step. He once again congratulated the entire Skyroot team and extended his best wishes to all those who are giving new momentum to India's space journey. He concluded by calling upon everyone to make the 21st century the century of India, whether on Earth or in space. We report News Now.